So we are back with another layered haircut. Now, in this particular haircut, I'm not even going to address the outline first. As you can see, I'm taking my very first section in the center back, pulling straight back, and I'm just going through, and right there, that very bottom section would have been the outline. What I want to do is I want to create a very wispy outline. So by not cutting in a blunt outline first, like a traditional layered haircut, and just going straight into the layers, it's going to create more of a wispy outline. So, no outline being cut on this particular haircut, just diving into the layers first. So, that first section was the center back, combing it straight back. Then, each section after, I've simply over-directed to the previous section. As you can see, the outline is a lot softer. It's not blunt. Like again, normally in a traditional layered haircut, you're cutting the outline first, nice blunt outline, then you're going in and doing the layers. Since we wanted a softer layered look, we did not address the outline. So, continuing on with the layers on the left side, taking sections, over directing to the previous section. Again, all of these sections, the length is based off of that very first section that I cut in the center back. Once I've completed cutting the layers on the left side, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the right side. Alright, so now I'm at the very front of the haircut. As you can see, I'm cutting some frame-to-face layers through my fingers. I'm just going to create those layers, those soft layers I should say, that would come down on the face. Also, if my model decided that she did not want to wear it forward on her face, the fact that we're going through and creating these layers is going to make it a lot lighter so that she can wear it off of her face just as easily. So now that we've completed cutting the layers on the left side, it is now time to cut the layers on the right side. As you can see, I'm taking that section, over directing to the very first section that we cut when we started this haircut. And I'm just going through, again, not cutting any outline, doing the exact same thing I did on the left side, as I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side that I already did on the left side, right there, just combing that hair straight back, creating a nice soft outline. There again, that very last bottom section. And I'm going to work my way all the way around to the front of the hair, Again, just taking another section. Now this one I'm over directing to the previous section. I'm not over directing all the way to that first section, just the previous. You're always just over directing to the previous section in this particular haircut. All right, I'm going to continue on until I get to the front, and then we will do the frame of the face layers on the right side. Alright, so now it is time to cut the very front of the haircut. You can see I'm doing the frame of the face layering right here, combing that hair, holding it in my fingers, and I'm just creating that soft, layered shape that will lay softly on my model's face if she chooses to, or again, like I said, she can definitely dress it backwards. But the fact that we are cutting these frame of the face layers, it's going to make the front super light, so she'll be able to dress that however she wants, forward or backwards. Alright, so when you over direct all of the hair back to cut the interior layers, and then all of the hair forward to cut the frame of the face layers, you're going to be left with a corner that's right by the ear. So I'm going to go through and just take horizontal sections, coming it straight up just to eliminate that corner. That corner is going to be extra weight that's going to weigh the hair down, make it heavy. So we don't want that. We want the haircut to be nice, soft, light, layered, fluffy. So we're basically going to go through and just take horizontal sections on both sides. I already did the right side. As you can see, I'm now doing the left side. And by doing so, it's just going to make these sides a lot lighter and a lot more movable. They're not going to be weighed down by the extra weight. Alright, so we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, the haircut is a lot softer throughout the outline. You can see the frame of the face layering. It's more of a piecey, chunky, kind of layered look versus a blunt look. You can see as far as the outline has a lot of softness to it. And basically, throughout the interior of the layers, there's a lot of volume. Very light, very full, nothing flat or heavy. So, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.